How to rate a restaurant on the Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to rate a restaurant on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, simply tap onto the orders icon located at the bottom of the screen right here. Select it. And here you can find your past orders right here. For now, you can see I don't have any orders right now. So if you have the past orders, simply tap onto one of the order or the restaurant that you want to rate. And simply tap onto the rate order. On the screen, you can rate the restaurant experience using a star system. Select specific aspects you liked or disliked. Optionally rate individual items for your order. And after providing your ratings and any additional comments, submit your feedback. So one thing to remember, you can only rate the restaurant if you have ordered from it. And that's it. This is how you can rate a restaurant in the Uber Eats app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.